right.
Okay. Michael McCauley.
That's a good question.
Mr. McCauley's here, present, Judge at Maine.
Okay, Mr. McCauley, you're charged with battery, and you've got a probation violation. The probation violation is a no bond hold. The battery charge has a $2,000 bond. You'll be detained going before the judge who issued the no bond hold on the VOP. Have a good day.
No victim
Crystal Rodriguez.
No victim contact, Judge, on that
No
case?
victim.
That's it. Crystal Rodriguez. $2,000 bond, no bond hold, no contact with the alleged victims.
Okay,
Judge, Crystal Rodriguez, I hear,
Rodriguez.
is in regular court, Judge.
She's in regular court?
Apparently, I guess she has other matters, so I don't know if she's there in reference to this case.
This was issued while she was...
All right, well,
Apparently,
it's
this
an
was
add-on,
issued.
so it should be.
It was issued while she was in custody. I would ask for an ROR.
Correct, she wasn't.
Current address, zip code, phone number.
Yeah, Judge.
This is an ad charge trespass.
Yeah, Your Honor, what happened was she had a case out of South Satellite. Because the current administrative order, they can't transport in custody defendants to the satellites, so they issued a capias when they didn't bring her down there when she was in custody. It's not her fault.
ROR.
Thank you, Judge.
Jonathan Gutierrez.
I've been advised Mr. Gutierrez is also in regular court, Judge.
Judge, his mother was here this morning, and she was asking me about him. She was going to be present. What?
I spoke to her. There's nothing, I told her about the no bond, it's drug court.
The drug court was ROR today.
Was it?
That's probably where she was. That's where he was.
I sent her to the courtroom anyways, after here.
Just the ROR.
Judge, will the court ROR count 1, 2? The fact that he was ROR on count 2 on the no bond?
State has no objection.
Okay, it's ROR on count 1, and number 2 has been already ROR'd by the other judge. Wayne Zafir.
Mr. Zafir is here, present, Maine, Judge.
Mr. Zafir,
Come
you
on up.
got a capias for possession of paraphernalia, $2,000 bond. You want to plead no contest?
Yes.
Is that a yes?
Yes.
Time served. Have a good day. Tovar Mora.
Mr. Mora is here, present, Judge. We'd be asking you to consider an ROR. Basically, he advised me at this point he has no sort of way to communicate with anyone on the outside
Oh, wait a minute.
to
Let me
post his
just say,
bond.
this is on Victor Javier Mora Tovar, correct?
That is correct.
All right, sir, you got a possession of cannabis, $100 bond, possession of paraphernalia, no bond required, operating without a valid driver's license, and disobeying a red light. And, all right,
He's staying in Miami, Judge. He has an address. He'll come to all future court dates. We'd be asking you.
well, my question is, does he want to plea?
No, he does not. Unfortunately, there might be consequences as a result of this plea. He's here on a
I got
certain
you.
type of visa.
I got you. All right, well, I'll leave it at a $100 bond. He doesn't have the community tie.
Judge, in that case, would you sign a phone order allowing him access to his property for purposes of retrieving a contact number?
I'm not on which one?
Judge, would you sign a phone order?
A what order?
A phone order allowing him
Yes,
access to his
no
phone?
question.
Thank you. Thank you, Judge. Appreciate it.
Brock McGinnis.
Wasn't he just here?
Mr. McInnes, come on up, please.
Okay, Judge, 2 counts, petty theft, $100 each. Do you want to plead no contest?
Your Honor?
Or these to be VOPs?
Actually, no. It's okay. He was here a week ago, but I just looked at what that was on. Nothing that significant.
Okay, you want
Judge,
to
I
enter
just
no
finished speaking
contest
with his
plea?
uncle. His uncle is going to be bonding him out.
He's bonding out? Okay, no problem.
Thank you.
Steve, Elvis,
Mr. Elvis, come on up, please. Judge, we'd be asking you to consider on count 3. Would you ROR count 3? So therefore, his friends can post bond on counts 1 and 2.
okay. You charge, sir, with possession, delivery of heroin, count one, $2,500 bond, possession, delivery of heroin, $2,500 bond, and you have a capias for possession of cannabis, $100 bond.
Okay. He lowered it to 100.
Daniel
Okay.
Carroll,
I believe he already bonded, Judge.
thank you. Michael Bixby,
Medical loan, Judge?
medical reset.
Malone, just have a seat right here, sir. You'll be coming up in a minute.
Bernard Malone,
There you go. All the affirmative.
Yes, sir.
Wait to say 2 hours.
Did I skip this one? Oh. Let me try this one. Okay. Mr. Malone, Bernard Malone, you're charged with possession of cocaine with delivery, possession of heroin with delivery, and cannabis. Same. Bonds are set in the amount of $7,500 on count 1, $7,500 on count 2, $5,000 on count 3. You got a VOP, no bond hold. You'll be detained going before the judge on the no bond hold. Court finds probable cause.
Thank you, Judge.
Okay, Andrew Jordan,
Judge, I've been advised he bonded.
he bonded, okay.
Yes, Judge.
Brandon Rogers,
Sir, Judge,
okay.
I have a question. I'm confused. I know Mr. Rogers came here already. I believe he was already magistrate. He was
Yeah.
given bonds
Brandon Rogers.
on counts 1 through 11. He was given a $25 bond count, $100 bond count 2, $100 bond count 3, $500 bond count 4. He was ROR 5, 6, 7. On 8, he was
Listen,
$100
listen. We know what happened, Hector.
we know?
It's a mistake for him to be on the dock.
Onto the,
Oh, okay, it's a mistake. I knew. Okay.
Judge, everything's been addressed. It was just put on error on the document.
Okay, so it's a mistake. Yeah, exactly what we
So this
said.
shouldn't be on the
document. No.
Kenneth Pattison,
Mr. Patterson, come on up, please.
you got 2 counts of violation of felony probation, no bond hold, should be detained going before Judge Ames. Okay, Adam Simon,
13. Yes. Thank you. Adam, North Broward.
Mr. Simon, you're charged with a violation of probation. You'll be detained going before Judge Robinson. You have a no bond hold, I find probable cause.
All right, I already knew that.
Okay.
Go. Pause. Oh, yeah, I forgot. Okay, my bad. Yeah.
Okay. Anything else?
Just got two 30-day motions to release and a few second looks. Mr. Terry, could you show the judge the, there it is, there you go. We'll handle it when we're done. Do you have the paperwork on it? All right, cool.
All right, we have Calvin Bird.
What facility?
Mr. Bird,
North Broward?
North Broward, got a Calvin Bird.
Nope, I didn't see him on my list here. Calvin Bird.
Yep, B-Y-R-D, Calvin.
RD. Is this the second look we're on?
Yes.
Yeah, I don't even see him on the list at all. Nope.
Wow.
Okay.
Can you get him?
He's fine.
No, we definitely need him.
Yeah,
It's the
I'll find out.
second day.
Yeah, call me up here, Roz and Faz, and I'll get the arrest number.
Okay, what about Randy Gibson?
Yes, sir.
Randy Gibson.
Conti.
See North
Yes, sir.
Broward,
He's
too?
a Conti.
Conti, sir.
Conti.
Your Honor,
Mr. Gibson.
this is a 30-day motion to release, Your Honor. The state has not yet filed an information. Mr. Gibson's entitled to release on this charge.
Okay, Mr. Gibson, on the possession of heroin, trespassing, unoccupied, you are now ROR'd. If there's nothing else holding you, you'll be released forthwith.
Sir, on count 3, on the possession of a ID, can I get RR on it also?
I
Sir,
think that,
on the heroin charge and the trespassing charge, you are now released ROR. No bond
Okay.
required, nothing.
he's talking about.
Yes, sir. There's one more charge though.
It's not in this
fraud.
case.
No, no. If I may.
Oh, okay.
He had another case that was bond surrendered. That's another matter he'll have to take up before it's
Okay,
assigned
that's a
judge.
different case, different judge.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
1 second.
Did you give the judge the misdemeanors?
Your Honor, Conti has one more.
What's that? Oh, okay. I'm sorry. How about Curtis Jones?
Conti.
Curtis Jones, you're charged with,
That's-
you got a resisting and a suspended DL. What are we doing with this?
Oh, that's not me. I got trespass. You said Sean Curry?
This is what I've
Curtis
got.
Jones. Curtis Jones.
Curtis, are you Curtis Jones?
Oh, no. Sorry.
Conti.
I didn't say Curry.
That's what he is. He does Sean Connery, right?
No, Curtis Jones is at Conti.
Okay.
Okay, I'm at Conti.
We're good.
You said Sean Curry? Yeah, this Sean Curry here.
Mr. Curry, we're not on your case yet.
Oh, okay. Sorry, Judge.
You're Jones. You're good. You're good. Curtis Jones.
Yes.
Okay. Yes, sir.
We're definitely ready to go. Curtis Jones, Judge. On what?
All right.
Arrest number on Bird.
Yes.
Sir, what is your name?
Curtis Jones, sir.
Okay, good. Now, he's been in what, 5 days, or is this a 5-day review?
No, yeah, this is just a second look review, Your Honor. He was arrested on the 4th.
On the 4th?
Yes.
All right. He's got an out-of-county hold?
Your Honor, then frankly, because I don't know if there's going to be a third or not, I'd have no objection if the court's inclined to ROR him. That way he can go on to the other county.
All right. Mr. Jones, I'm going to ROR you on both counts.
Number is
You're going to be taken to the other out-of-county hold. Make sure you come back on this.
Okay, thank you
Okay,
very much.
Suzanne Coughlin,
Got it? No problem.
She didn't want to get up, but they're bringing her down now. She's on her way. They had
Okay.
to talk her into it. Also, Capote, you have him. He was Baker acted this morning.
That'll.
Bodie was Baker Act at reset. Then we have Sean Curry.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
You Sean Curry?
Yes, sir.
Okay. You want to plead no contest on this?
Yes, sir.
I'm served. You're done.
Thank you.
Okay. So we're waiting on Susan Coughlin and on Calvin Bird.
Yes, Judge.
He said, no contest, I'm going good.
You're, we just handled him. Oh, Curtis Jones was R1.
R1.
Can we deal? Let's deal with Rodney Squires real quick. Your Honor, from this morning, Rodney Squires, one of the charges that Your Honor it said a bond wasn't before the court. It was just we were just asked if Your Honor and the clerk will give you the findings if the bond could just be set back to the original bond of 10,000
Okay, the original bonds are reinstated in the original amounts and conditions.
on that one count. Yeah, that's what it says. I think that's what it says in your findings. 10.
North Broward has Susan Coughlin when you're ready.
Your Honor, I think they have Miss Coughlin.
Step up.
Miss Coughlin there.
I'm sorry, sir. Step up. I'm sorry.
I know.
Go.
Your Honor.
Okay.
This is, I reviewed the PC. This is a criminal mischief where the allegation is that Ms. Coughlin smashed the front windshield of a vehicle. Your Honor, I would ask, rather than, I don't know if the court was inclined to resolve it, but rather than doing that, just so any restitution issues could be resolved in division where there could be possible probation, I would ask that you ROR instead of resolving it.
Okay. Ms. Coughlin, I'm
Yes, sir.
RORing you on this charge.
Yes, sir.
Okay, make sure you show up in court or you'll end up right back where you are.
Your Honor,
Yes, sir.
Ms. Coughlin, just to let you know, the clerk's office is going to have an address at this point on Johnson Street. Is that where you reside in Hollywood?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Okay, you're out of there.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Judge. And Judge, just to let you know in advance, when Mr. Bird gets up there, the state filed the charges. He just wasn't here yesterday, so we brought him back to let him know that an information was filed.
That's on,
Calvin Bird. On the felony.
Calvin Bird's on his way now. So
Yeah.
Oh.
you still want him, right?
Yes,
All right, he's coming.
Steve. Anything we had, we went through already.
what's going on?
That was from this morning. Look.
Good. How you doing? You have something?
No, just check that out to make sure.
Oh, we got rid of them.
You got room, Jeff, perfect. That's even better. Thank God. I gotta call my file. Don't decide to file every file.
Are we having fun, folks?
Because they offer to send the file.
What's that?
You're the fastest one to do it. With 30-page documents.
Well, you know what's the other problem?
I'm slowing down in my old age.
Yeah,
Especially with 11
yeah,
We had
no,
11
all right,
punishment
we're not done
laws.
yet, we're not done, there's a couple more left. Oh. All right, all right. Okay. Bye. Oops, I just hung up on them.
on any docket we have.
We've only got waiting on Vernon.
I don't know who you're talking about, Kiva.
Wiley,
How we doing with Calvin Bird in the north?
What are you talking about?
they just called and confinement status said the same thing.
They can call all they want, but we only have this much left on the docket.
He's on his way. I got Waddy here waiting to see you.
But as far as like the
Body?
dockets go, thank you. They're not on the docket.
Okay.
We don't have him on the docket.
Yeah, they probably. Yeah, I got Morgan Waddy. I didn't have the Bird guy.
Does anybody
So
know
I
what that
guess
guy's
no-
being held on?
Morgan White. A trespass.
All right, see everyone later. Bye. See you there tomorrow. I'll be here in the morning. If you
I don't have any. What?
That's the thing, you know, you just
help yourself up there if you want. I mean, I get care around whatever, but I just sit there and go online.
Let's see if we get Calvin Bird.
Thank you. See you guys. Bye.
When we don't have a docket, that's the thing.
Murphy's Law.
What was it? You know what? You don't need to put that welcome to Broward.
Morgan White.
Welcome to Broward Court.
Care for trespass.
The gentleman they have over there is in custody for trespass. Morgan Wadley, the one who didn't make the docket. I hate to see him in custody another day.
He's in custody on a simple trespass. That's all he's
Yes.
got.
Yes, you're on a $25 bond.
Dave, you want to do him?
Judge, the problem is, the problem is that the clerk's office, since he's not on the docket, they don't have findings.
We don't use findings on that.
All they need is a short order form.
If
Okay, we'll do Wadley.
I'll do the order.
You can write up a dispo. It's a second.
Hello?
Oh, am I doing a dispo?
You haven't found, James?
I do.
Let the judge see the PC, and if he clear it out, she
What did Pat say?
can do it.
Yeah, well, it's better than fraud.
What's he charged with now?
I said, yes. He says, okay.
All right.
Mr. Wadley,
Don't put it underneath your desk.
Yeah.
this is, you got a trespass charge, and you've got a $25 bond on it, and they claim it's a trespass after warning
Are you on?
at the Merit.
I don't think we're on.
No, we're on.
Okay, I just didn't see it on the blue.
I think I'm on.
Loud and clear, North Broward.
It says my system's on. That hasn't been on all day.
Oh,
Oh, there it is right now.
yeah, we got it.
Oh, there we go. Okay, Mr. Wadley, you got a trespass after warning at the Marathon gas station. You want to plead no contest?
No.
Okay. $25 bond. Have a good day.
Yes. I want to plead yes.
Okay. Now you doing this freely and voluntarily? Nobody's making you do it?
Huh?
Nobody's making you plea. You want to plea no contest?
No, I don't. I want to plead yes.
Yeah, does he?
A no contest, please, sir, means I don't admit I did it, but I don't deny I do it. I use the same as a guilty plea, and we'll dispose of your case right now. Do you want to do that?
Yes.
Do you understand you're waiving your right to have a trial? Make the state prove the case against you beyond and to the exclusion of every reasonable doubt. You understand that?
Yeah.
Okay. Knowing that and understanding it, understanding your rights, you're pleading no contest. Is that correct?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Time served. Have a good day. You're out of there.
Come on, Bird. All right, Bird arrived.
They got Calvin Bird, Judge.
He landed.
Oh, he landed. Mr. Calvin Bird. Mr. Bird, you have all of this has been filed?
Information has been filed, Your Honor.
Sir, I want to advise you that the information has been filed. You have 2 battery charges, a lewd and lascivious conduct, and a depriving a law enforcement officer of communication. All of the bonds remain the same, and you will be scheduled for arraignment forthwith before the judge to whom the case is assigned. Have a good day.
We done now?
I think that's a wrap.
That's a wrap. Have a good day, everybody.
Thank
See
you
you
very
tomorrow.
much. Thank you all. Really appreciate your efforts.
Thank you, Judge. See you next Wednesday.